Let's quickly explore the compelling features of the KEBS quote-to-cash process that are irresistible. Starting with deal management, you'll have a 360-degree view of your customers, allowing you to manage all their details, including contacts, leads, opportunities, and other customer activities. You can maintain multiple opportunities under an account, then have multiple quotations and their updated versions histories. View your gross margins dynamically while constructing quotations. Service, manpower costs, license, non-manpower's expenses and discount management can all be added while quote building tailored to your specific operational functions. Additionally, benefit from one-click project creation from opportunities. You can also monitor your forecast, annual contract value, and actual revenue at the customer level, taking into account all the opportunities planned under that customer. KEBS project provides you with an overview featuring various dashboards specific to each project, a separate billing page for monitoring milestones, accounts receivables, bills, and purchase orders. You can also submit billing advice against a milestone. KEBS project includes a planning board with multiple functionalities for task building execution, critical path monitoring, and baseline comparison. In Project Team, you can request specific positions and directly raise requests against quoted positions, allocate resources, and assign external stakeholders such as customers, vendors, auditor, etc. to the project and forecast billing plans for quote integrated time and material projects, which will automatically generate monthly milestones for the plan value. KEBS Timesheet allows you to submit timesheets at the task level within projects or departments. It includes a split hours feature for flexible time allocations across tasks. Includes a quick fill feature that allows you to populate timesheets entries for the current week per fill feature from the previous week quickly and easily. You can also directly apply leave or holiday request from timesheet. Monitor your team's timesheet entries and delegate approvals to another person when multiple approvals are required. KEBS People Allocation feature enables tracking of resource request and personnel based on their project assignments. This allows for monitoring of unallocated bench resources. The Smart Suggestions AI feature recommends the best resource for specific tasks, facilitating optimal allocation of resources. In case of resource shortages, you can internally forward the request to other business units or escalate it to recruitment for resolution. With KEBS Invoice, you can efficiently manage and execute billing activities by including FTE details for transparent customer invoicing. You can view, download, and send invoices and annexure via email to customers or stakeholders. As for Collector, it facilitates tracking and overseeing all the collections-related activities, ensuring timely and accurate management of receivables with advanced reporting capabilities. Beyond the quote-to-cash process, KEBS also offers comprehensive solutions for human resource management, applicant tracking, expense management, procure-to-pay, leave management systems, and more, along with access to 100+ detailed reports. Why wait? Contact us today, and let's grow together. Thank you for watching.